Look at that mud. Look at that mud. Look at look at that mud. Oh, look at that. Look at that fireball that is coming out. That is definitely coming out. Wow. Whoa. I've never seen this before. Such beautiful. This is beauty. This is beautiful nature for you. Oh, this is amazing. I've never seen it so beautiful before. This is for my YouTube viewers. Just a morning sunrise at the Lorne beach. We woke up early for the morning prayers and the sunrise. Amazing. Wow. That's come out about 50%. Oh, look at that ball. Look at that ball. Just sat down to have a stable video. Just want to take that full sunrise. I'm sure you must have seen sunrises before, but not as beautiful as this. Wow, that is a fireball. Fireball. 100%. Good morning, viewers from Lorne Beach, watching the sun shine, watching the sunrise, sun coming out. Beauty, beauty as. Oh, it's pretty much 75% out. I'd say 90% out. That was quick. Oh, that's 100% out. That's the full bowl for you. That's beauty. That's beauty. I don't know if I can go any closer. Wow. Oh, look at the orange sky.